All right, welcome. This is week 28. I am to Thursday's homework solution. There is no video for Wednesday because, again, you're working on your performance task. So here we're going to look at Thursday, okay? This is for February the 14th. All right, so let's go over it. Here, you're going to state the following characteristics. You're going to look at your x-intercept, y-intercept, vertex, minimum, and maximum, okay? Please notice, these, I don't know if you noticed, but all these here, x-intercept, y-intercept, vertex, minimum, and maximum, these are all points, okay? And for points, we put them in x comma y. We write them in an order pair, all right? So let's do number one, their x-intercept. The x-intercept, by definition, is the location in which it crosses the x-axis. So here, where does it cross the x-axis? The x-axis is left to right. So does it cross right here? Notice this is open. So does it cross this? It does not. It does not cross here. It does not cross here. Does not cross here. You see how this is open? Does not cross here. Does it cross here? Yep, it does cross here. What point is that? That looks like that is 0, 0. And where does it cross here? What is our x value? That is 5. What is our y value? 0. So we could say the x-intercept here is at 0, 0. And also 5, 0. These are your two locations in which this line crosses the x-axis. Okay? So the y-intercept. Okay, so let me just write this here. The x-intercept is where the line cross the x-axis. The y-intercept, this is where the line cross the y-axis. Okay, so where does it cross the y-axis? We go up and down. Oh, nowhere. Yep, only here. 0, 0. That's the only spot. There's nowhere else. We look up and down only, okay, because we're looking at the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 0 and 0. You're like, wait, how can 0, 0 be the x-intercept and also the y-intercept, okay? Remember, a graph can have the same x and the same x-intercept and y-intercept, okay? In this case, it was the same, okay? What is your vertex? The vertex is the point here, okay? It's the highest or the lowest point. In this case, there are two, okay? So, let's look at the green first. This is the smallest one. This is called the minimum. Okay, and the minimum is at what point? Oh, it looks like it's in between. Looks like it's at what? Negative 2.5, comma, what is your y? Negative 4. So it looks like your minimum is at negative 2.5, comma, negative 4. Right there at green. Your maximum, I can make that purple, goes all the way up here. That looks like that is positive 2.5, not 2 comma 5, 2.5 comma, what is your y? Looks like that is positive 4. So your maximum here is your what? 2.5 comma 4. So what is your vertex? Your vertex is just your minimum or your maximum. So here, the vertex, we can just rewrite it 0.5 comma negative 4, which is your minimum. And here you also want to write your maximum. So here, this graph has two vertex. Okay? There you go. Good? Okay. right. What about here? Okay. All right. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Ooh, this is very interesting. Let's look at your x-intercept. So what is your x-intercept? Did I color code it? Yeah, red. Your x-intercept. Where does it cross? Oh, here it looks cross. Looks like it crossed for your x, which is at 0, 0. And this is also your x, which is at what? 12, comma 0. So it crosses here at 0, 0, and also 12, 0. What is your y-intercept? I think I made that blue, right? Did I make that blue? Getting all my color coding. Yep, blue. Where does it cross the y? We go look up and down. Oh, it crosses right here at 0, 0. 0, 0. What is your minimum and what is your maximum? Okay, this is very interesting. Okay, the two, so here you wouldn't say, so you can say that, you can say that, no, it stops here. It stops here. So there is no, here, there is no vertex and there's no minimum. So there is no vertex, so therefore there is no minimum. Hence, there is also no maximum. Okay? A lot of people think these are your maximum. Is it? Mm, it would be a single dot, but here you can say that the hold on, hold on. Give me a second, okay? Let me get a finite answer on this. Hold on. All right, so I'm back. Okay, I had to double check. Okay, so by definition, all right, by definition, I want to bring up that. So here I said there is no vertex. I am correct. So if it looks like this, if it looks like this parabola right here, this would be one vertex. Okay, and in this case, this is the minimum. There's also the sad face one, and there's a vertex here, which is on top. Vertex, and in this context, it is the maximum. Okay, when it looks like this, there is no vertex. Okay, this has no vertex because there's no minimum and there's no maximum. Okay, now let's look at number 3. Here, there has to be a vertex. Yep, I see it. It's right there. Okay, so let's take a look. What is your x-intercept? Where does it cross the x-intercept? Oh, seems like it's right there. At what? 0, 0. Anywhere else? Nope. So the x-intercept is at 0, 0. What is the y-intercept? Up, down. Whoop, right here. At 0, 0. So it's 0, 0. Is there a maximum? Nope. There's no maximum. But there is a small value, which is your minimum. It can't go any lower than 0, 0. Right? Your minimum is also going to be your vertex in this case. So it's just going to be 0, 0. This is the absolute function. Okay. And if you want to see the equation for this, it's y equals the absolute value of x. Or if you want to see it in function notation, it looks like this. Okay. All right. X-intercept is 0, y-intercept is 0, 0, vertex is 0, 0, and it has a minimum of 0, comma 0. Okay. That's it. Let's look at, I think 4 is down here. Wait, hold on. Did I skip 4? Hold on. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, give me a second. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yep, there's only 6 problems here. Okay, I just skipped 4. All right, let's look at 5. Okay. All right. So let's look at your x-intercept. Where does it cross the x-intercept? Oh, right here at 0, comma 0. So we would say 0, comma 0. What is your x-intercept? What's your y-intercept? Sorry, this should be in red for the x-intercept. I'm just trying to color code it for you. Okay. What is your y-intercept? Where does it cross the y-axis? We go up, down, oh, right here, 0, 0. So the y-intercept is at 0, comma 0. What is your vertex? Before we go to vertex, you go to minimum and your maximum. This is this does not look like this. Does it look like one of these parabolas? Does it? No, it does not. This has no vertex, so it has no minimum or maximum. A lot of people think this is its minimum. Really not. Okay, because this is sort of its end, right? Or the start of this ray. So this has no vertex or minimum or maximum. Okay. Let's go to 6. All right. So x-intercept. Let's see, where does it cross the x-axis? Whoop, right here. And that is at 1, comma 0. Okay, so your x-intercept is 1, comma 0. We go to our blue. We look at our y, because again, this is just y. Okay, up, down. Oh, cross it right here. Oh, this is 0, comma 1. Your y-intercept is at 0, comma 1. Okay, okay. We want to look for a vertex. We go, whoop, right here. Our vertex is at 1, comma 0, and that 1, comma 0 is our lowest value, so that is also your minimum. There is no maximum. Okay, there's no maximum. I don't even think I spelled it right. Maximum. Okay, there's no maximum here. Good. And let's do this one. Oh, this is a really good one. I like this one. Okay, nice polynomial, third degree polynomial. All right. X-intercept. Where does it cross the x-intercept? Boop. Right here. This is at negative 2, comma 0. We keep going. Oh, right here. We hit it at 0, comma 0. Boop. We hit it right there. That is 2, comma 0. So here it has 3 intercept. Negative 2, comma 0. Then we have 0, comma 0. And then we have our third one, which is 2, comma 0. We look. We go up and down. Whoop. Hit it right there. That's at 0, 0. That's your y-intercept, 0, 0. Okay. We look for a maximum. What's the highest value? Right here. This is negative 1, 3. Vertex. Negative 1, 3. Okay. And that is also your maximum. And what about this value down here? Make that purple, orange. Oh, it goes down here. That is at 1, comma negative 3. So that is your minimum, right? Because that's your smallest value. That, the vertex here, that's also your vertex. Okay? Alright, so there you go. So hopefully you understand the minimum and the maximum is where the vertex is, and it depends. Okay? If you look at your core concept, I kind of already gave it to you, but I can sort of review it for you here if you're watching. Okay, here's a parabola. Okay, here, this is its vertex, right? This is also your minimum. It's also the minimum. But when it goes like this, where this is the highest point, this is also called your vertex. But this case, it's called the maximum. Okay, so there you go. Those are all your answers for your homework solutions.